In human medicine, the human nurse or the human doctor learns one species. Our technicians learn about cattle, horses, llamas, rats, mice, gerbils. Each and every one of them, different anatomies, different nutrition, different disease entities. You know, our students are absolutely amazing at their ability to assimilate all of this information and to apply it in a practical manner, and that's our goal.
The role of a veterinary technician is to assist the veterinarian. So the veterinarian diagnoses the animals, performs surgery, prescribes medication, and prognoses disease and illness. The veterinary technician can help with all of those things. They can take care of the patient, do those treatments that the veterinary prescribes, assist during surgery, monitor anesthesia, perform dentals. There's so many roles all wrapped up into one, so they learn a tremendous amount in just 2 years' time.
He relates it back to real life and tells a story about how the subject related to him at some point. And that really helps a lot of concepts and different areas of different subjects stick in my mind. It helps me relate back to the information a lot easier. It creates that pathway for me.
He's a very passionate instructor. He's always encouraging us to be successful and be bold. And he wants us to be confident in what we learn and what we do in life. His teaching goes way further than just the classroom. It's hands-on every day. He makes us think.
The good thing I think that sets Dr. Bittner apart from all the other instructors is that he can make something that seems so out of the way and so difficult to comprehend just more interesting to learn.
I really liked all the hands-on experience that is offered here, as well as the student to instructor ratio. There's a lot of ability to have the one-on-one contact and be able to go to your instructor to ask questions and help with any particular subject that you may be struggling with.
A lot of our students are very surprised at the intensity of this program and the level of performance that is expected and required of them. Our program is so student-oriented. We look at each individual student as a challenge as far as we want them to succeed by earning a grade and being competent in the career field when they leave here. I have found that we can make lemonade out of lemons because we may have students that are very grounded in math and others that are not at all. This gives us an opportunity to all rise to the level of the expectation of the class by not only the instructor helping, but the other students helping.
He looks at what each student is struggling with and tries to put that into his lesson plan.
He deserves the award because he goes above and beyond what you would expect from an instructor, especially at a community college level. He takes the student interests and carries through their entire stay here at EWC. Throughout my 2 years here, he was someone that I could always go to whether I had a problem, whether I had a question. It didn't matter if he taught the subject or not, he was always willing to help, and I think that makes him a great educator.
I would say it's his passion for veterinary medicine and his ability to help others find what it is that they're passionate about in veterinary medicine. But he's very consistent with his high standards, and all of the students strive to meet those high standards.
Because he does give us that tough love. I think no matter where you come from, that tough love, everyone can use a little bit more. It just encourages us to always do better. We want to get ahead. It really challenges us to be the best that we can be without us even realizing it. Because we're always trying to prove to him that we're good, but in reality we're proving to ourselves that we can do it.